Soldering iron kits are essential tools for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who work with electronics, jewelry, or circuit boards. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, having a reliable and high-quality soldering iron kit can make all the difference. With so many options available, choosing the right one can be a daunting task. To help you make an informed decision, we've compiled a list of the top 7 best soldering iron kits available on Amazon. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Plusivo Soldering Iron Kit, 60 watt. The Plusivo Soldering Iron Kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for both beginners and experienced users. It comes with a 60-watt soldering iron with an adjustable temperature control ranging from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. The ceramic heating element ensures fast heat-up times, allowing for efficient and precise work. Key features: temperature control, easily adjustable to match various soldering needs. Complete kit includes multiple soldering tips, desoldering pump, tweezers, solder wire, and a wire stripper. Durable build, high-quality iron-plated tip for longevity. Portable and organized, comes with a carrying case for easy storage. This kit is perfect for electronics repair, circuit board work, and DIY projects. Number 2. Anbis Soldering Iron Kit, 90 watt. For those looking for more power, the Anbis 90-watt soldering iron kit is an outstanding choice. With a digital adjustable temperature range from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, it heats up quickly and maintains stable performance. Key features: high power output, 90 watts ensures a quick heat-up time. LED digital display, easy to read temperature settings. Comprehensive accessories, includes 5 different soldering tips, tweezers, and a stand. Ergonomic design, comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue during long projects. This kit is ideal for professionals working on circuit boards, jewelry, and home DIY repairs. Number 3. Lexavon Butane Soldering Iron Multi-Purpose Kit. If you need a cordless soldering iron, the Lexavon Butane Soldering Iron is a fantastic option. This multi-purpose tool is powered by butane and features a self-igniting mechanism, making it highly portable and convenient. Key features: cordless design, no need for power outlets, perfect for on-the-go projects. Versatile use, can be used for soldering, shrinking, and wood burning. Fast heating, reaches working temperature in under 15 seconds. Adjustable flame control, allows precise temperature management. This kit is perfect for professionals and DIYers needing a portable, high-performance soldering tool. Number 4. Qming 60-watt Soldering Iron Kit. The Qming 60-watt soldering iron kit is an excellent option for both beginners and professionals. It features an adjustable temperature range of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit and a high-quality ceramic heating core for fast heat-up. Key features: adjustable temperature, provides precise control for different projects. Interchangeable tips, multiple tips for various soldering applications. Complete kit, includes solder wire, a stand, tweezers, and a desoldering pump. Ergonomic grip, designed for comfortable, extended use. This is an excellent choice for those looking for a budget-friendly, all-in-one kit. Number 5. LDK Soldering Iron Kit Electric 60 watt. The LDK 60-watt soldering iron kit is another great option for those who need a reliable and versatile soldering iron. It features temperature control from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with multiple accessories for a complete soldering experience. Key features: quick heating, high-quality ceramic core ensures fast heat-up. Adjustable temperature, allows customization for various soldering tasks. Comprehensive kit, includes 5 tips, solder wire, and a desoldering pump. Safe and easy to use, designed with anti-static and heat-resistant materials. This is a fantastic choice for DIYers and professionals who need a complete kit without breaking the bank. Number 6. Yiwa 926 60 watts Digital Display Soldering Iron. The Yiwa 926 60 watt soldering iron is a high-tech solution for those looking for precision and ease of use. Featuring a digital display and adjustable temperature control, it ensures accuracy and efficiency in every project. Key features: Digital temperature display allows for precise control. Adjustable temperature ranges from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Ergonomic grip, comfortable handle for extended use. High quality tips, long lasting and interchangeable. This is an excellent choice for electronics enthusiasts and professionals needing advanced temperature control. Number 7. U1 926 360 watts LED display soldering iron station. The U1 926 3 soldering iron station is one of the best high-end soldering stations on the market. It provides professional-grade performance with an LED display and precise temperature control. Key features: LED display, easy-to-reach temperature settings. Wide temperature range, 184 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. High efficiency, quick heating, and stable performance. Premium build quality, long-lasting, durable components. This soldering iron station is ideal for professionals working on delicate electronics and detailed projects. Final thoughts: each of these soldering iron kits offers unique features tailored to different needs. Whether you need a budget-friendly option, a portable butane-powered tool, or a high-end soldering station, there's something on this list for you. Consider your specific requirements and choose the best kit to enhance your soldering experience.